In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive financial calculator in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it and then head over to calculator underneath forms right here. Click on that and then you'll be taken to the calculator widgets page. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see this create widget for free button. Click on it and then you'll be taken to the calculator template section. From here, I want you to scroll down a bit until you find finance calculators. As you can see, there's over 30 different templates they can choose from. Click on that and find the calculator template that best suits your needs. As you can see, there's quite a few different options that you can choose from. Don't worry if your exact type of calculator is not on here, because we can customize whichever one you choose to your specific requirements, both in terms of design and functionality as well. In my case though, I'm going to go for this one right here because it doesn't really matter. So as you can see, this is what this particular finance calculator looks like. By default, like I said, we can customize its design as well as functionality, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, once you've selected the template that you want to go with, go ahead and continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your interactive financial calculator to your liking. Now, the first thing we're going to do is customize the backend. So if you take a look on the left hand side here, you have fields. There is 5 in total, and these represent the input right here that the user is going to be inserting into the calculator. And then at the bottom here, you also have the calculations, which help, based on the input, provide the user with the final figures right here on the right hand side. Now, when it comes to both the fields and the calculations, like I said, you can customize them by clicking on them just like that, and then changing the descriptions here, the values, the format, the conditional logic if you want to. You can also delete certain ones if you don't want to have them. Alternatively, you can also add more fields if you find the need to do that as well. The same goes for the calculations. You can delete them, you can add new ones, you can customize existing ones. If you don't know how the formula section works, don't worry, because you can actually generate any type of functionality with AI. So just click here, enter the formula description here. So depending on what type of functionality you're looking for, briefly describe it, and then the AI will automatically generate the formula for that specific functionality. It's pretty straightforward and very self-explanatory. Yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to the backend of the calculator. Now, in terms of design, what you can do is head over to the left hand side here where it says style and settings. These are all the different customizations that you can set here to really customize your interactive financial calculator to your liking. So for example, let's just suppose that we don't want this particular line here to be green. We can go to field accent color and then change it to yellow or orange or whatever color you want. I'm not going to go through every single customization that you can make here. I'll leave this up to you to explore and really customize your financial calculator to your liking. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your interactive financial calculator will be saved up. Then you'll be taken to this page here, which is where we now need to publish the calculator. So in the top right corner of the screen, click on Publish, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first calculator that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, if you want to use more than one widget on your Wix website, or if you want to show your financial calculator to more than 200 people, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can go with, and if you choose to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected the plan that works best for you, you will then automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your interactive financial calculator. It will look just like this. So from here, click on copy code, and let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and go to the page where you want your financial calculator to be added to. In my case, I want it on my homepage right here. And as you can see, I've already added a new section, which is going to be dedicated to the calculator itself. So I'm going to click on it, and then in the top right corner of the screen, I'm going to click on search, and then I'm going to search for HTML. And then underneath add to site, click on embeds, and then on the left hand side, you will see a new menu open up. Underneath popular embeds, I want you to click on embed HTML, and then an HTML box will be added to your Wix page. From here, simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight, give it a couple of seconds, click on update, and then your financial calculator will be added to your page, just like that. And all you have to do now is resize it. As you can see, here is my interactive financial calculator once it's been stretched out and fitted to the page. As you can see, it's fully interactive. Don't worry about this little pop-up that you see here. This is only visible to us, just in case you want to make any changes to the calculator later on. So if I just click on it, it takes you directly to Elf side, where you can change basically the design or the functionality of the calculator, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create an interactive financial calculator in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.